Yeah, hi guys, good morning. My name is Tony from W2 Pro Global Solutions, and today we have the high definition spherical camera. This is a Wi-Fi security camera, as you can see. Very beautiful blue box. Okay, so we're going to be doing the unboxing today. So basically, what's inside the box? Okay, so we have this is a micro SD with the micro SD adapter. So this is a 64 gig micro SD U3 made by Lenovo, and this is the micro SD adapter. So the essence of the adapter is to be able to revisit your videos, view your videos after recording, probably at a later time. So now we have the manual. The manual comes in English. Smart camera user manual, as written here, comes in English, no other language. So what's inside the box? Let's take a look at it. So inside the box we have the I'll start with the Wi-Fi security camera itself. So this is the security camera. As you can see, it has two antennas for better reception and connection. Then it has your camera itself. Now the camera this is the lens in the middle. This is the lens in the middle. This is the sensor for motion detection. These two lights here are for the lighting itself. Then this is for your night vision. So it has a swivel function. I think this one goes 90 to 180 degrees, but this one goes 360. As you can see, it goes round. So whichever position you control the device to, it can view. Okay, so behind this device, it has the micro SD sits, and it has a reset function which you can reset to factory settings. And once you're done inputting the micro SD card here, you just close it back. It's weatherproof. Okay, so this is the wire connected. So you can see this wire here is for the LAN port. You can connect directly to your Ethernet device for Ethernet connection. Then this is where you connect the power source to. Okay, so we have the socket. We have the plug here. So this is the plug, and this you can connect this to this device here like this. So, and these are your screws to connect to the wall. And this is an accessory kit for fastening. So basically that's what's inside the box of this high definition spherical camera. It's a Wi-Fi security camera for your home, both indoors and outdoor, for indoor and outdoor use. So in case you want to get one, you can talk to us. It's not so expensive. I think this costs about depends on the brand, depends on the maker. It costs between 30,000 naira to 45,000 naira. It depends on the features you're getting. Some particular ones come with the solar panels. So also come with inbuilt battery. You understand? So those ones are more expensive than this one. This one you can connect to your power source. So for those that have inverters or solar equipment at home that has uninterrupted power supply, this is a good one for you. It's something you can use at home. You can monitor the movement in your home. You can monitor security in your home 24 hours. So basically that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Click on the subscribe button. My name is Tony once again from W2 Pro Global Solutions. Thank you.